Hello friends, welcome to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives and enjoying the best of health. So friends, my today's video is somewhat unique and beautiful at the same time, because in this video I'm sharing a very unique design idea, and I'm sharing somewhat unique concepts. That is, you can see hand embroidery designs along with the matching crochet laces. You can use these embroidery borders for designing your scarves, for designing your dupatta, for designing your strollers, for designing your shawls. Even you can make these beautiful patterns of embroidery borders onto your dresses, like shirts borders. Like, you can also design your sleeves borders, you can design your necklines as well. And the more beauty and the more ethnicity and the more elegance which is being added to these design patterns of embroidery is the perfect match of crochet laces. Yes friends, all of these crochet patterns are entirely handmade, and the whole video collection and the whole design patterns are totally inspired by Turkish style hand art, hand embroidery, along with the Turkish style crochet patterns, crochet laces as well. This trend is extremely popular in Turkey and is gaining massive attention towards Asian countries, as well as it is conquering the Western world as well. You can use same type of thread for making the embroidery pattern as well as for making these crochet laces, and you can use anchor for making the embroidery patterns, and you can again use anchor for making these very beautiful crochet laces as well. So I hope that you have liked the ideas. You have beautiful depiction of the beautiful matching laces with the hand embroidery patterns, and all of these designs are, and the ideas are absolutely unique and you have never seen before or heard before. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments below my video. Meet you soon in upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.